Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10-line essay on Andaman and Nicobar Islands in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory of India comprising 572 islands, of which only 38 are inhabited. Let's start writing about this particular union territory point-wise. Line number 1 is: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Indian Ocean. Second line is: it comprises two island groups, the Andaman Islands and the Nicobar Islands. Third line is: the Union Territory comprises roughly 572 islands. Fourth line is: coral reefs cover about 2000 square kilometers of the area of the islands. Fifth line is: they connect South Asia with Southeast Asia. Sixth line is: the territorial capital is Port Blair. Seventh line is: spoken languages are Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Nicobarese and Telugu. Eighth line is: agriculture is the occupation of most of the residents of the Andaman Islands. Ninth line is principal crops include paddy, coconuts, betel, fruits, and spices. 10th line is tourism to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is increasing due to the popularity of beaches and adventure sports.